Alright y'all, so I did not want it to be too sweet. I don't really like extra sweet coffee, so let's see. Who needs Starbucks? Who needs Starbucks? Who needs Dunkin'? Who needs a coffee shop anymore? Now I can make my own pumpkin spice hot coffee. Girl, this is good. As you can see, I kind of like just dumped everything in. I didn't really measure anything, but I'm gonna try my hardest to measure it out for y'all, because oh my God, it's not too sweet, it's not missing sweetness, it's just the best. Oh my goodness. It's pumpkin season, y'all. It is pumpkin season. If you are not ready for pumpkin season, I don't know what to tell you, baby, because it is pumpkin season. I think the girls are calling it, what is it? Summerween? I don't know. But baby, it's pumpkin season over here. We are gearing up for the fall, everything over here. Okay, as you can see, I've already made my first fall drink and it's so delicious. This video, we're gonna get into some fall must-haves. I'll also be sharing like a fall haul and a bunch of fall stuff that I have just accumulated over time. So definitely make you some coffee, girl. I'll leave this recipe down below. So pause the video, make you some coffee and come on back, or make you a cup of tea, iced coffee, whatever the case may be. Let's come on girl. Let's get into this fall content. This is episode 1 and I hope you guys enjoy it. Kick back, relax, and let's get to it. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. First 2 things I'm gonna show y'all are not really home decor related. I've actually put this on my phone for about probably a month now, but it's like this really pretty brown chocolate phone case. It's so cute. My phone is pretty old, okay? I think we're on what, iPhone 17? I think I have the 12. Yeah, this still has like that ring where you can charge it, and I don't know, it's just giving fall cozy, the aesthetic. As you can see from the things on the overview, I'm going for more of a chocolate theme, and I kind of was set with chocolate a few months back, y'all. So this stuff has been sitting in my front room for a minute. Everything that I'm talking about, I will have it all linked down below. Next thing are these nice slippers. They are fuzzy. This is just giving cozy, y'all. These are from Amazon. That phone case is from Amazon too. These are the cutest slippers, y'all. They're by the brand Snug Leaves, and they're so soft, and it's like a memory foam too. These just give fall. Like what? Fall. So cute, y'all. I got a size 9, 10. I think I should have went up another size, but I don't think the next size was available. These are very affordable. Can't really remember how much I paid for them because it's been so long since I purchased these, and I have been dying to wear these, but this is like the first episode, so I've been waiting to wear them until I record this part. All right, that's it for everything that is not Decor. So for my couch, I wanted to incorporate more browns. Like I said, chocolate is like my color that I'm really going for this year. My couch is like a beige gray look. So I wanted to bring in some browns and some different textures. So I went with these brown pillows. These are from Amazon too, but these are I think 24 by 24, and they are like a really pretty, oh, the zipper is a heart. That's gonna be a problem for my kids. But this, it's like a really pretty, almost like suede, but not really, but it gives suede, but it's really pretty, y'all. And I also got some more pillow covers. These are brown too. Didn't realize I got two of 24. Yeah, but I did order some new pillow inserts. These are I don't know, like they're almost kind of like a boucle, but it's not as soft as like boucle. Boucle is like really soft, almost kind of like this, but yeah, this is almost kind of like carpet material. But these are really nice. I really love the texture. Like, it's really pretty. And I can't wait to add that to my sofa. And chocolate isn't like that hard to dirty up. That's another reason why. Everything I'm sharing with y'all now is pretty much things that I picked up this year. I am still kind of like shopping. I still haven't shopped around everywhere. They don't bring everything out. So I would say end of August is when like all of the good stuff is out. This is a blanket and this is really soft. I really love this blanket. It's so soft, so pretty. I'm not gonna open it. It's just like a color block, brown and cream. Yeah, it's really pretty. This is from Amazon too. So I also picked up some new stems this year for fall. These are from Hobby Lobby. I don't know what drew me to these stems, but I don't know, I don't know. I just love like the green. I love, it's not too much. The stems are like brown. I don't know, it just fits. And then this right here, it's just like a different vibrant color that can just be added into the stems. If I don't want to, if I don't like that, I could just pull them out and put them in something else. I really have a lot of stems, y'all. So buying stems this year, I was really not trying to buy too many stems because I have enough fall stems. Okay, so that's it for the things that I bought this year. Now let's get into some fall must-haves. All right, so for your kitchen, simple things that you need for your kitchen. I am a very minimalist decorator. I don't do too much, y'all. I just don't. I love the cozy, simple look. So for your kitchen, basically all you need is some oven mittens. If you don't have like a oven where you can put the mittens on, they can go like open your cabinet door, put them on the cabinet door. It's different places that you can hang towels, kitchen towels, festive fall kitchen towels. I did see a green one yesterday at Dollar General. It caught my eye. It was really pretty and it was only $2, y'all. So fall hand towels aren't really that expensive. You can get like a 2-pack from Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx for like maybe $6.99, $5.99. They used to be $4.99, but they have went up. But they're really inexpensive. Also for your kitchen, you want to get you some nice fall mugs. I don't really have that many, but the one that is my all-time favorite is this one. It's by Williams Sonoma. This was actually given to me by my best friend Ebony, so shout out to her. This is the most beautiful pumpkin cup. Like, it's so beautiful, and it's the cream color, and like I said, it's by Williams Sonoma. You can get pumpkin cups anywhere now. Home Goods, Target, Marshalls. She also sent me one from Dollar General too one year, because Dollar General had the pumpkin mugs too. So this is another way to add fall to your kitchen. It's another fall must-have. You have to have a pumpkin cup, some type of festive fall cup. There are ones with words all over them, fall gathering, fall. That's fine too, but like I said, I'm more of a simple, minimal girly, so this is my favorite cup. Of course, for your kitchen, if you have an island or counter space, you could always add in canisters, vases. I'm not really going to show too much of those because for my canisters and my vases, I pretty much use the same ones all year round. So I don't have an issue when it comes down to different seasons. Yeah, but if you keep vases on your counter all year long, all you got to do is just add in different stems or florals for the season. Let's get into the smell good. So you always want to have your house smelling good for different seasons. Fall is my favorite seasons. I love all fall scents. Like, I love the fall desserts. Oh, y'all, I can go all day long talking about fall scents. My friend Ebony, she owns a candle business, and this is one of her candles, and this is Fall Getaway Whipped Cream and Pumpkin. Whipped cream and pumpkin. What? Oh, it smells so good, y'all. And the color, the aesthetic goes with the brown that I'm going for. She does have different vessels. I'll leave her website down below. She is also getting ready to move, y'all, so y'all go subscribe to her channel because she got a moving series too. But she is going to drop her fall candle line. This is also from her candle line, which is a luxurious Ambiance. This is a room spray, and this one is freshly baked from her fall collection. So y'all, get you some room sprays. Okay, so Ebony also sent me this candle last year, I want to say. I don't know what scent is in here, y'all, but this is hers, and oh my goodness. And this is perfect. Like, this is perfect. Perfect. These pumpkin candles are sold literally everywhere now, so finding stuff like this won't be hard. It also has wax melts, and these wax melts are also pumpkins. How cute, y'all. And this is Marshmallow Bonfire, and this is Gray Sweats. They both smell amazing. So for pumpkins this year, I did end up, I had one of these from last year, and I saw one this year. So I ended up getting another one, and this one was $14.99. And how pretty is this? I really did take a step back from buying so many pumpkins, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. But I do have quite a bit in the garage. I also found this really pretty green olive pumpkin. Y'all, this was the only one there too. So this is probably like a hot, what did I say, hot commodity. Girl, get you some nice, pretty, cozy, big, plush pumpkins. They even have like pumpkin pillows now. I tried that, it didn't work out for me. Between my kids, the dog, it was always on the floor. So that's not my thing, okay? All right, so these are probably my favorite stems. I got these stems, Kobe. I got these stems years ago, and I want to say they are from Target. They're from Target, but they don't make them like these no more, y'all. They look so cheap now. Like, this is so soft. The texture is so soft. It's not plastic. It's not cheap. Y'all, they don't make them like these no more. The stems don't. These stems don't look so cheap and plastic now. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty and beautiful maple leaves, and it just goes with the aesthetic. So you will see probably this tone, this cream, of course, green, browns in my home decor. You also must have a fall wreath, okay? It's essential. You have to have a fall wreath, y'all. Even if you don't want to like decorate, go all out for your porch, as long as you got that fall wreath, that doormat, that's all you need. You don't have to go all out. I don't really go all out for my porch, but I will throw in a fall sign or some pumpkins. But I have just collected stuff over the years. I have like a collection now. So every now and then I will go out and buy certain stuff, add to my collection, or I will get rid of things that no longer excite me with decor, because that's how you end up with a lot of stuff. So you definitely want to reassess what you already have, if you like it, if you don't like it. And even if you don't like it, like in a common area, think like, dang, I can decorate the bathroom with this stuff this year. Like, you have to just rotate it out. A lot of the stuff that I don't really use anymore. I'm thinking I will probably just decorate it, use it to decorate the kids' bathroom, y'all. Well, all right, y'all. So that's it for my fall must-haves, my fall haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I know it wasn't too much, but I really haven't been like shopping. I've just been picking up stuff here and there. So as we are like decorating, or maybe after we shop, I will share what else I get throughout like the fall season. I hope this inspired you to pull out your fall decor. Definitely subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. A comment down below. Drop some fall leaves down below, y'all, if you made it to the end. But all right, I will see y'all on the next video, and thank you so much for watching.
I keep it quiet, move slow. Is it supposed to be a secret?